If your Ford F-150 dashboard has multiple warning lights on, don't panic. We're going to go through some simple steps you can do at home before needing a scanner, and I'll show you how to fix and reset them safely and easily. First, make sure your truck is parked on a flat surface, the engine is off, safety comes first. Now, let's start with the basics. Check your fluid levels, engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid. Low fluids are one of the most common reasons multiple warning lights appear. Top them up if needed, it's simple and can save you a lot of trouble. Next, take a look at your battery connections and fuses. Loose or corroded terminals can trigger several warning lights. If you see any corrosion, clean it carefully and make sure the connections are tight. After that, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. On key start models, turn the key to on. On push button start models, keep your foot off the brake and press the start button once. The dashboard will light up, but the engine won't start. Wait about a minute while the system does a quick self-check. Some lights may turn off on their own. You can also try resetting the lights manually. On many F-150 models, press and hold the OK or reset button on the steering wheel while the ignition is in the on position. Hold it for about 10 seconds until the dashboard resets and those lights disappear. Once that's done, start the engine and take your truck for a short drive. Many warning lights will reset automatically once the system detects everything is running normally. If some lights are still on, it could be a deeper sensor or electrical issue. In that case, it's best to have a professional mechanic check it out. Drop your F-150's year in the comments if you want a quick tip for your exact model. Drive safely, and I'll see you in the next video. If this video helped you fix your dashboard warning lights, give it a like and subscribe for more simple car repair tips.